I am Tamil Selvi, member of AHT Clumsy Coders. I'm gonna walk through you the console output, web application output, and authentication of a project. Let's see the console output for question generation from the paragraph. In this section of code, we are using NLP and NLTK. So this is our code for question generation. Let's run the code. Firstly, we have to give paragraph as input. Okay, and then it asks for the type whether to generate only questions or question with their answers. We are mentioning to generate only questions, and it asks for the number of questions. Let's give it as 2. It takes a while to generate the output. Here's the output. It has generated 2 questions, as we have see the console output for the coding questions. In this, we can have the coding questions based on the difficulty levels like easy, medium, and difficult. Let's run the code and see the output. So it asks for the number of easy questions, and we are giving us 10, the medium questions as 21, difficult questions as 30. So here you can see that it has generated a number of questions. First, in the easy level, it has generated 10 questions, and in the difficulty level medium, it has generated 21 coding questions, and last, in difficult, it has generated 30 questions. So this is our console output for. Now we go for the MCQs. In this, we have used a GenAI tool Llama to generate the MCQs. So this is our code, and let's run the code. First, it asks for the number of questions. We just give it as 10. Then the topic as artificial intelligence. Then the difficulty level, easy, medium, hard, we give it as easy. Here we go. We can see that it has generated 10 MCQs with their answers. So these are the console output for. So this is the end of our console output. Next we will be seeing the web application output of a project, and from here my teammate Surya will take over and walk you through the web application output. Thank you.
I'm Surya, member of this project. I'm gonna walk through you to web application output of our project. It is a web application output for question generation from paragraph. Here we used the Flask application for web application, and these are all our HTML codes you can see, and this is HTML code when we generate the output, and it is our layout page. So app.py is our main file that we used the NLP and NLTK to generate the questions from paragraph here. Yeah, let's run this. It's running, and click the link. So it is our page. First, in the input text, we need to give the paragraph, the whole paragraph as an input. The questions are generated. The questions will be generated from this. So we need to give the type as questions, and number of questions are 2, and click generate. So the questions are generated. First question is explain in detail, nevertheless. Second question is write a short note on. We can use the search bar over there, that will work completely. So the 5 buttons, copy, CSV, print, to save the file. So if we click the print, that will go to the print navigation. If we click the PDF file will be downloaded. If we click Excel or CSV, the files are already downloaded. If we click the copy, the text will be the questions will be copied. So it is our question generation for paragraph. Here it is the question generation for coding questions. It is our app.py. We use dataset to create these questions. It is the datasets, the whole datasets for easy questions, medium questions, and difficult questions. So response.py means that the response when we click the generate. It's all our HTML pages. So let's run this. It's running, and if we click the link, it is our page. We can specify the number of easy questions as 10. We can give us a 10, and number of medium questions as 20, and number of difficult questions are 30, and click generate. Now you can see the output. The easy questions, medium questions, and difficult questions are generated. If we click the generate more questions, we can also navigate to the front page. Let's see the authentication of a web application. Here we use PHP MyAdmin for database, and to integrate the database to our web application we use SQL. So let's see. So to run our application we need to type local host / and our file name is tomato. So let's type tomato. Yeah, it's our home page. Let's click on login. Yeah, login. So we have three type of logins: administrator, trainer, and employee. Let's see administrator. Administrator ID is admin and password is 123. We give and click login. So these pages are not designed well. We'll see that in afterwards. So let's click add trainer, and the first name is Billy, last name is Butcher, and we give the username as billybutcher@gmail.com and password to 12345, and let's add trainer. The trainer is added to our database. It is our database. So let's refresh it, and we see Billy Butcher username, email billybutcher@gmail.com is successfully added. So if we go to user management and see trainer list, Billy Butcher is added here also. So I'm repeating again, it's not the user interface is not added since. So to remove trainer, click on remove trainer, and first name is Shiva, last name is Rathinam, username is shivamos123@gmail.com, and the password is 123. So now in the database the Shiva Rathinam, that ID will be deleted if we refresh it. Yes, it's successfully deleted. So let's click on user management and see the user list. In the user list Siva will be deleted from it. So when we click logout, it asks for the confirmation button, so we confirmed it. So let's go to trainer login. That's our admin. Now it's the trainer. In the trainer we give only the trainer email IDs which are registered in the database. So let's give chitradk2003@gmail.com and password is 123. So it's successfully opened the trainer dashboard. If we give the wrong password, it returns no, not found, incorrect password or email. So we need to give the perfect email ID password. So for the feedback I give Surya, name Surya, and feedback as the experience is good. It will be received to the administrator dashboard. So let's click on submit. That will be received to administrator. We'll see that in afterwards. So here logout, and we now see the employee dashboard. When we click the employee dashboard, the employee database registered IDs will only be supported here also. So we give Hughie Campbell 12@gmail.com and password as 12345. That's the password. So it's successfully logged. So if we give the wrong email, it gives the error not found. So we will give the right Campbell. Yeah, it also have feedback facilities that we added since now only. We need to develop it further for the phase 2. This reference is only for authentication only, right? So the feedback is submitted. If we go to administrator again to see if the issues are received to the admin. So admin 123 login. Yeah, issues. They click on issues. Yes, the response are successfully submitted. These are done with the JavaScript. If we click on delete, the response will be deleted. So let's touch on logout. It is not the exact structure of our application. To view the complete prototype of our application, please view the Figma file that is attached in the PPT.